Morning. Today we are going to study how the Grant-Taylor model, that is demand for non-durables or habit creation principle. A habit creation principle is based on Nerlovian model. Nerlov created stock adjustment principle. How the Grant-Taylor extended the idea of stock adjustment principle to non-durable commodities. According to them, the current demand for non-durables that depends on habit. When we used to consume a commodity frequently, that we may become accustomed to it and forms a habit. How we write the equation for habit creation principle? It is Qt is equal to A0 plus A1 Pt plus A2 delta Pt plus A3 Yt plus A4 delta Yt plus A5 Qt minus 1. Here, delta denotes a change. Delta Yt is change in income. Delta Pt is change in price. How we find delta Pt and delta Yt? Yt minus 1 is delta Yt. So, delta Pt is Pt minus 1. Demand in any particular period that depends on price, stock of the commodity and current level of income under Nerlovian stock adjustment principle. So we consider Nerlovian stock adjustment principle equation, that is Qt is equal to B0 plus B1 Pt plus B2 St plus B3 Yt. They extended how the current Taylor extended this equation to non-durables, that is St, if we consider it is a function of durable commodities, it is considered as a stock of durables, where under non-durable commodities the St constitute a habit. So St is the stock of durables if the function refers to durable commodities, while St is the stock of habit if the function refers to non-durable goods. Then the coefficient of S, that will be negative in the case of durables. If a stock of durable commodities more and more, we won't think of purchasing it further. So the sign of the coefficient of S will be negative. For the non-durable, the sign of coefficient will be positive because that becomes a habit. We need that commodity if that becomes a habit. Then durable, the sign of coefficient of S negative. Non-durable, the sign of coefficient will be positive. Then we cannot measure S because S of durables, it will consist of different heterogeneous items of various ages. So we cannot calculate the sum of depreciation or depreciation rates are not known. While in the case of non-durable, the stock of habit is a psychological variable and we cannot quantify it. So we are going to make S measurable. Replace S to a measurable form, that is St minus 1, that is delta St is equal to Qt minus depreciation. Depreciation is equal in all periods for durables, that is depreciation is equal to dou St. Yes, dou is a constant depreciation rate. If the life of durable is 10 years, we assume that the yearly depreciation is 10%. So St minus 1 is equal to Qt minus dou St. Consider the demand equation, that is Qt is equal to B0 plus B1 Pt plus B2 St plus B3 Yt. We are solving the equation for St. So St is there and other forms are taken back to the right side. So it is 1 by B2 into qt minus b0 minus b1 pt minus b3 yt. So this is the equation for st. We are going to incorporate this st into the first equation. Okay, this much you study. Next we will discuss on tomorrow. Thank you.